I don't know if they're gonna forgive each other for that, because I feel like Zinhle's been in the media for so long that she knows how to deal with these type of things. I don't think it's gonna get to her, but it is a bit embarrassing when somebody who's known to be a celebrity now is out there.
No woman is strong to cheat, bro. To cheating, to be cheated on. No woman, bro.
What do you mean?
Like she can, even if because you're saying she will be able to deal with this, whatever.
No, I'm saying the public backlash.
No woman is strong. No woman is strong with that shit, bro.
Nah, come on, bro. Come on, man. Konji, what happened? She was in a relationship before, and then bamushi yagar. Ashia ushi laga mangonja yagai. Eke umshila yago mang. O yago banang. Afeta klugana la banang abua happy. You understand? And then Eke Abamshi are happy for the 21-year-old.
Ike Bongz Valentine's Day. Nako, right? But then he's been like caught with the same woman from last year. And DJ Zinhle is just not giving him a facts, and she's just in her own planet. Like, I got any stress. Instead, she's just defending her man, of which is nice to see, But, like, like, all the time. This woman has been through a lot when it comes to umjolo. Publicly, futhi, like, it's just relationship like, she deserves a break. And if maybe it's him by the looks of the matters, because it's the same girl over and over again. Now she's making it obvious. The other time I posting is DJ Zinhle on her Instagram, of which, like, it just didn't make sense, but oh well. Hey. DJ Zinhle needs a man that won't embarrass her. Like, sure.